What y'all doing? I'm just coming back on, you guys. I'm headed to the store. Today I feel like lentil soup. I know you guys are like, seriously? Yeah. It's so healthy for you. Now, I had that pasta yesterday. You know, it's full of carbs, but oh my God, was it delicious. So today I thought, okay, let me go a little healthy. So I'm going to do a lentil soup. So I want you guys to stay connected, and I'll be right back, and we'll get started once I come from the store. All right, see you soon. Okay, Raw family, are you guys ready to get started with this lentil soup? Something pretty healthy for us today, because the weekend, it won't be so healthy, but it'll really be good. All right, here I have granulated garlic, I have some thyme, I have salt, and I have pepper. Of course, I will put the amount down in the description box below. I have a 14.5 ounce can of diced tomatoes, basil, garlic, and oregano. Here I have chicken broth, and it is a 32 ounce because we're going to use the whole thing. Here I have 2 carrots diced up. I have 2 celery stalks diced, and I have 1 medium onion minced. All right. And I put a little canola oil in the pan because we're going to saute the carrots, the celery, and the onion. Now let me show you the lentils. This is a 16 ounce, let me show you the bag, of lentils, all right? And what I did, make sure you rinse them off really, really well and drain them. And I just have some bay leaves in there, 2 bay leaves. Also, you're going to pour the water and the bay leaves in here. So don't drain the water off, all right? So next, what I'm going to do, all right, we're going to heat up a pot right here. And I'm going to put in the carrots. Wow, that color is beautiful. The celery. And the onions. All right. And we're just gonna stir this. And watch how easy this is going to be. Okay, let's just give this a stir. When we wanted the onions kind of translucent, so we're not going to really worry about the carrots and the celery because it's going to take this soup about an hour to cook. All right. So I'm just going to let these sit here for a moment. You know, anytime you mix onions and celery with something, I mean, it smells amazing. Okay, I'll give that maybe 1 more minute. All right. Hope your Thursday is going well. You guys, I'm kind of on a roll this week. Last week I had a large catering job, and I didn't have a lot of stone orders, but next week will be a little different. So I definitely don't want to forget about my YouTube family. Okay, here we go. I mean, we're going in quick with this. Okay, if I can get the tomatoes open. Hang on, you guys. Okay, here's the tomatoes I showed you. Dump, dump, dump. Here's the seasoning I showed you. Sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle. Here is the lentils with the water and the bay leaves. Pour, pour, pour. There we go. And right now, we're just gonna put 16 ounces of the chicken broth in. Let's go ahead and put that in. We're gonna put it on a medium for about, I'm gonna say 45 minutes to an hour. Make sure you cover it. See that? Make sure you cover it. Cover it. And in about an hour, I will return. And it should be the finished product. All right, you guys, go get you something to eat. We'll come back in about an hour. All right? Stay connected. All right, Royal family, here are the lentils cooking. I want you to see this. And I say we have about 15 more minutes and it will be done. But the flavor, sorry, it's fogging it up. The flavor is off the chain. And I also added like 1/4 teaspoon of cumin. So that's where you're seeing this nice color. So I'll make sure I add that to the description box also. All right, in about 15 minutes, I will bring you the final presentation. Okay, Royal family, here is the finished product and presentation of the lentil soup. It took about 45 minutes, but when I tell you, it is so, so delicious and healthy. For a change, Mrs. O is cooking something that's really healthy. I'm going to try to do more of that. I'm really going to try, you guys. Let me show you. And when I tell you the flavor is off the chain, can you see that? And I also, which I didn't show you on the camera, I added 1/4 teaspoon of cumin, and it just took it to another level. I mean, this is really good, you guys. Very flavorful. And again, very healthy. All right. If you guys like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Please share, subscribe, and make sure your bell notification is on. I will see you guys again this weekend. I promised a Super Bowl video. Now that's not gonna be healthy. I'll just let you know up front. All right, you guys, God bless you. Have a great day, and I will see you this weekend. All right, I'm gonna eat half of this bowl of lentil soup so I can get my protein and all my vitamins in. All right, God bless you guys.